Hello and welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Today, we're diving into a natural, eco-friendly method to propagate your favorite roses using nothing more than a ripe banana, a few simple ingredients, and of course, a healthy cutting. If you love gardening, hacks that actually work, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow plant lovers. Let's grow together. Step 1. Prepare your rose cuttings and natural rooting stimulant. Start by selecting a healthy rose stem, free from pests or disease, and prune it to about 15 to 20 centimeters, keeping at least 3 leaf nodes. Remove all other leaves. Soak the cut end of the stem in aloe vera gel for 15 minutes to disinfect and soothe it. To make your natural rooting stimulant, you'll need a ripe banana. Mash it thoroughly into a smooth paste. Don't discard the peel. Slice it into small pieces and mix it in, as it's rich in potassium and micronutrients. Add 500 ml of water and stir well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey to the banana mixture. Finally, peel a fresh aloe leaf and mix its gel into the banana honey mixture. This blend harnesses the power of banana, phosphorus, potassium, auxin, honey, natural antibacterial properties, and aloe, enzymes and hormones, to promote strong root growth. Step 2. Plant your rose cuttings after preparing the stimulant. Soak your rose cuttings in the mixture for 3 to 4 hours before planting. Use coconut coir as your planting medium because it's light, retains moisture well, and provides excellent aeration. Strain the banana, honey, and aloe mixture to extract the liquid, then use this liquid to moisten the coco coir. This enriches the medium with natural nutrients and hormones, creating an ideal foundation for rooting. Fill a small cup with the moist coconut coir. Insert the soaked rose cuttings into the medium, making sure the growth buds are above the surface. Cover the cup with another clear cup to retain humidity, simulating a mini greenhouse. Place the cups in a cool, well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight. Lightly spray the cuttings 1 to 2 times a day. Step 3. Care and transplanting. In the next 7 to 14 days, you should start seeing green shoots appear, which is a clear sign that your cuttings are alive and growing well. Strong white roots will cling tightly to the substrate. Once your rose cutting has developed a healthy root system, it's time to give the plant more room to grow. Choose a larger pot with good drainage. Use loose, rich soil mixed with compost. Gently plant the rooted cuttings, being very careful not to damage the roots. Water thoroughly after planting, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Thanks for watching and growing with HH Beauty Garden. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Feel free to give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe so we can stay connected. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.